Here we have introducing our brand new Team Gspeed G-6x6 chassis. Their brand new carbon fiber chassis they just came out with. Just got shipped out, ordered it basically first day, and here's what we get from them when we're unboxing. So, we have some awesome stuff here. Here's our Laydown Servo mount. Pretty sweet. Very nice looking thing. And the extremely super nice Gspeed G-6x6 chassis. And it says 6x6 right in it, right there. Pretty awesome. So there we are. Gspeed G-6x6 chassis. Awesome. Carbon fiber, real light. They don't bend very much. Let me try to bend them. Just a little bit there. That's those. I also got this. I ordered just a set of their metal ones. They're pretty heavy. They're stout. They're thick. See how thick those bad boys are? But some goodies for the future. We got their standard, I think it's the SCX-10-2 mount here. So what else we got over here? We got the Vader skid. I want to go with the black versus the white. I think it'll match better. Oh, we got some threads there. So yeah, sweet little super slick skid. Here we have Gspeed's Multi GMP mount. Pretty nice. 3 little spots to mount whatever kind of panhard you want. Picked up a set of their chassis spacers here. They're pretty nice. Don't weigh very much. That's good. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for our Gspeed goodies. Oh, and yeah, of course, gotta have some stickers. Can't go without the stickers. I even ordered some extra. I think it comes with 1 or 2, but I got a bunch. Oh, oops. I almost forgot our sliders. Chassis sliders there. Nice 3D printed. They're pretty slick. 3D printed. Looks nice. All the holes you need. Sweet little package there. Some goodies to play with in the near future, and coming soon to some videos near you. Thanks for watching Savage As Flux with these Gspeed chassis. Pretty awesome. Can't wait to get them going. We'll have some videos up soon.